All we need is half a cup of plain flour or maida, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of butter or margarine, anyone works, and about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and about a pinch of lemon zest. So let us start. In this mixing bowl, I'm going to add in the margarine. I'm going to whip this little bit. Add in the sugar. Cream this well. I'm going to add in the vanilla extract and the lemon zest. Add in the flour and then on low speed mix it well. Now we are going to use our hands and make a dough. Don't knead it, just mix it. You can see our cookie dough is ready. Now we are going to shape them and bake them. To bake the cookies, I am going to use a spring foam cake tin. This is about 7 inches. You can basically use any steel or aluminium utensil to bake the cookies. Just ensure the bottom is flat. The only downside of baking cookies without oven is you cannot bake many cookies at once. But if you want mini cookies, then this tray is really good. This is a mini idli tray, but the only downside of this is you get very small cookies. But if that's fine for you, you can bake in this idli tray. Now let's bake our cookies in this. We are going to make 10 portions out of this for the medium sized cookies. So let me make 10 portions out of this. I have made the cookie portions. Now I am going to place in our baking tray or cake tin or any utensil that you are using. So let's spread this. So I have placed our cookies in this baking tray. I am going to add this into our cooker now. Here I have my idli cooker which is being heated from the past 5 minutes. You can basically use any cooker, which is pressure cooker or idli cooker. And there is about 2 cups of salt inside it and a wire rack and a perforated plate. I'm going to keep this cake tin inside it. Close it quick and fast. And if you are using a normal cooker, don't apply the whistle. This cooker has a whistle with a nut and screw method, which I'm going to keep it loose. Cookies are going to be baked for about 15 minutes in medium to low flame. After 15 minutes our cookies are ready. We are going to wait until these cool down. Our cookies are baked and you can see they came out pretty nicely and they are golden from the bottom, just perfect. We are going to now dip these, and these are at the room temperature right now. We are going to dip this in the chocolate, but if you don't want to dip, go ahead, you can enjoy them right away. Here I have some melted dark chocolate. I am going to add in some white chocolate to this, which will make a marbled effect. Now using a fork I am going to mix them together. Now we are going to take our shortbread and dip this in. And we are going to place this into our butter paper. And we are going to wait until these set, which will take about 30 to 40 minutes in room temperature. Actually here is a little bit warm. Look at this. Our shortbread cookies are